There's nothing that makes me happier than getting a new plushie for my plushie collection. Except for maybe one thing. Getting a whole new box of plushies for my plushie collection. This massive box is full of plushies that came directly from Japan. I got all of these plushies off an amazing platform called JPFans. They have a website and an app where you can buy things directly from Japan at super great prices. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to share some Japanese toys and collectibles of my choosing with my YouTube audience. And I said, bring on the plushies! So thank you so much to JPFans for sending me all these plushies and making this video possible. I'm gonna tell you more about JPFans very soon, but I am just so excited to get into these plushies. Oh my goodness. How do I choose who to start with? I guess I'll go with my girl Kuromi because she's just sitting on top here. Look how beautiful she is! Her dress with the rose on it and all these little bows. This is my favorite Kuromi ever. And I got her for only 15 Australian dollars. And she's not the only Sanrio plushie I got. Next we have a purple cinema roll. Look at him, he's a little cinema roll in a purple raincoat. He's got a bead hanging off his ear that looks like a raindrop. It's literally brand new with tags and I got this for like $4. I love that he looks like a little ghost. And if you think he's cute but you collect a different color, there's actually one of these in almost every color. Okay, my next Sanrio plush is one I've loved for a while. I've never, ever, ever seen plushies of her. It's just a character that doesn't get any love here in Australia. But in Japan, oh my goodness, there were so many to choose from. It was so hard to decide. But in the end, I chose this adorable one. She's very magical girl with her little wand and sparkles all over her. Once again, brand new with tag, amazing price. And even though these are cheap, these are like top quality plushies. Like, look at all the little embroidery details. There's literally a lace petticoat of her skirt. Oh my gosh, they are just looking glorious up there. There's still one more Sanrio plush though. Two more. So one of the really cool things about JPFans is people are often selling bundle listings. They have a bunch of things they don't want anymore and they put them all in the listing and it's really cheap. You can probably guess which one of these two I bought the listing for. This beautiful purple bear. Its official name is Tiny Lavender and he is the brother of Tiny Chum, who is friends with Hello Kitty. There are a bunch of these bears in different colors. I obviously fell in love with this one because it's purple, but also because it's just like the most plushy looking plushie. Like, I love it when plushies have stitching on them like this. It's just extra cute. Like, this is a teddy bear. This one again has its tag on. You can see a bunch of the different colored ones and you can see they're kind of in an ice cream world, which I assume is where this one comes in. How tasty. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it had a bow as well. It's so cute. I love the little icing dripping down here. Both of these together were 14 Australian dollars, which is just crazy because if you go into any trinket shops in the city, you're gonna pay $15 for this alone. Now that is all the Sanrio plushies, but I do have one more Sanrio thing to show you. This is strictly a plushie haul, but I did throw in a couple other things that aren't plushies that are super cute because they were just too cute. I had to. As you know, I do collect other things. Where is it? There is a lot in that package. So another adorable Sanrio character that you don't see much here is called Kojimian. Kojiman? This is her name. And this is her as an adorable figure. She's wearing a flower crown. She's holding a flower and she's in a flower basket. Even her little shrimp friend has a flower in its hair. I nearly cried of joy when I first saw this. It is so beautiful. Hey, the colors match the ice cream well. So that is all my beautiful Sanrio things. If you like any Sanrio characters, or even if you don't, just search Sanrio plush on JPFans and you will be floored with the adorable things you can find on there. Now, the other thing that's amazing about JPFans is you can buy off a bunch of different Japanese sellers from all over the country, and they all get shipped to a secure warehouse owned by JPFans. And they hold them in the warehouse for you for 60 days, so you can take time to think about if there's anything else you would like to buy. And then once you're finished making all your purchases, you can actually get them shipped all together in one big package so that you can save on shipping costs. Not only that, but if you sign up with my affiliate link, you can get a bunch of free shipping coupons, and they have very kindly also given me my own 20% off shipping code. So sign up with my affiliate link, use my shipping code link, and get yourself something nice from Japan. Let me give you some more inspiration of things you can buy. Now, the reason this unicorn is slipping out of her package is because as soon as this arrived at my door a couple days ago, I had to get her out. This is the silliest, goofiest, derpiest, glorious-less. Now, did I know how big she was? No. The listing did say it was big and the photos did look big, but the pictures could not capture this glory. We've already spent a few days cuddling and watching My Little Pony together. I named her Flutterpuff after Fluttershy, and she is already a very faithful and loving companion. Now, what I will say about this is when I saw the listing for this beautiful giant unicorn, it actually wasn't the first time I'd seen the giant unicorn. The first time I saw her was in the form of this listing, which was $2 and I bought like that. Baby Flutterpuff, here she is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this Flutterpuff has 4 legs. This one only has 2. I guess because this one is like a pillow. She has a little tag on. This is a whole line of characters with these super funny eyes. I really have the best of both worlds with these Flutterpuffs. I can cuddle this one. She's a little bit big for adventures, so I have Adventure Puff here too. And this was another thing that I only discovered because of JPFans. I was just looking up unicorn plush and the listing came up. Another thing I discovered on JPFans was this selection. I just fell in love with this listing. It was 5 plushies for $9. I wasn't familiar with the characters when I bought it, but I looked it up. They're from an anime series called Pretty Cure, so I've now discovered a new anime I want to watch. I don't know any of their names, but let me show you how cute they all are. We've got this pink bear looking creature with a flower, a bow. Look at the embroidered eyes, and it has little wings on its back. Friend number 2 is blue and has a music note theme. We've got music note and little music notes on the ears, another bow, and another cute set of wings. This happy little guy looks like some kind of lion. I love the big blushy cheeks and its bow again. It also has the wings again. And the last of the little one, I think this one is my favorite. It's some kind of dog. It has the fluffiest ears. It's got a flower crown and then a big bow on here. Now this one actually doesn't have wings, but it does have more flowers on the back. Now the other one that we got is this super adorable bear. This one's a bit bigger than the other ones. It has a bow too and very cute eyes. Also purple stars in the ears. And all of these cost me less than $2 each. Now another category that there is loads of on JPFans is Pokemon. I got this Yamper for $4. Isn't it so cute? Look at its adorable little face. It's such a cute shape. It was actually designed to be like a wrist rest, but I thought it looked pretty good as a corgi nose rest. Okay, then this one's for me. It's a Galarian Ponyta. Look at that smile. She's so fluffy. And this is actually part of what's called the Kuta Kuta collection. And the plushies can lay on their legs like this. I find it so funny. All right, who next? Let's go with Kirby. Another $4 plush. I love this little Kirby. I thought he was so cute in his purple hat. He's also riding on this star. Then I've got Pickles the Frog. Now, I recently discovered this character called Pickles the Frog, and Japan has so much merch of him. I stumbled across these really cute sailor plushies, and I was looking at them, and I really wanted the purple one, and I really wanted the orange one. And I was scrolling through Pickles' list listings for a while until I saw a listing that was selling them together, and I was like, that is meant to be. Be free, my pickles. So I've got this little purple one. He's got a sailor hat and a green sailor collar. I just love the pickle smiles. How cute can you get? And then I love the orange one because he has a purple bow and a purple sailor hat. It's also a really nice shade of orange. Both of these new with tags. Very excited to add to my growing pickles collection. We are now getting to some of the last plushies. These are Tamagotchi plushies. So first we have the orange Tamagotchi character in a sun hat and pink dress. Her sun hat has a pink ribbon and bow on it. I just love the Tamagotchi characters, especially when they're dressed in cute outfits. Then we have this Easter themed one. Despite the fact I've loved Tamagotchi since I was like 5, I don't know how to pronounce any of their names. I always call this one the bunny, and we have the bunny dressed as an Easter egg. Oh, it's really soft! Good chunky stuffing. I love the patterns of the eggs and the little spring flowers. And then another Tamagotchi from the Easter collection. I'm not sure if it was this year's Easter collection or another one. It is the baby, the iconic Tamagotchi baby, and it's in an egg basket. It's just crazy how niche Japanese merch is. Now I'm about to show you the last plushie of the plushie haul. I do have a few more things that aren't plushies that I'll show you, but the last plushie is another $4 steal. It's Mike Wazowski. I don't think I've ever talked about it on YouTube, but I actually have a whole Mike Wazowski collection. I think this is the cutest Mike I've ever seen. Japanese plushies just seem to always have beautiful blushy cheeks, and they're in such stunning pastel colors. He also has this so he can come on adventures. I think he's gonna live with the rest of the Mike crew though. So he was the only Disney plushie I bought, but I did get a few other Disney things. So first of all, I've got a couple little trinkets. My favorite princess is Princess Rapunzel. I love her aesthetic, I love her story, I love her personality. She's just the best, most iconic person to me ever. And once again, I found a cute little bundle of these two adorable key rings. This is a Sleepy Rapunzel keychain. Beautiful. Look at the flowers in her hair. This is a Rapunzel looking out the tower keychain. Then I have another Rapunzel item. This, I believe, was a Disney Store item. Disney Store Japan do merch like no one else. It's so pretty. It's the Rapunzel aesthetic on a chair. And the thing that really sold it for me was that little purple basgle. Let's get it out of the box. Cutest little chair. Oh my goodness. Then it opens up and you could keep a ring in it. Would also be a good seat for a little friend. There we go. Perfect size for Piglet. Okay, so my last item is actually two items. I got these both together and they are Tangled themed plushie display cases. I've never seen such a cute way to display your plushies. They come beautifully bubble wrapped. So this on its own, such a beautiful display for plushies or figures. But then you have this dome. It has all these little tangled silhouettes and this. That's a hook. Look at that. And then you can just display a plushie. You can just have them hanging there in this dome case. You can also just chuck one on here and not have it hanging. I don't know how I'm gonna decide what plushies to put inside here, but I could not be more excited about these. Well, that is my haul complete. Thank you so much for watching, and huge thank you to JPFans for making this video possible. Make sure you go to the sign up link in my description, and also if you buy anything, there's also the bonus Just Lavenders code for 20% off your shipping. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again very soon. Bye!